One spark, one slip, 1 second is all it takes. Bench grinders are compact, powerful, and essential in every industrial setting. But don't be fooled. When mishandled, this tool becomes a serious threat. A single fragment from a damaged wheel can fly fast enough to cause permanent injury or worse. That's why we created the Bench Grinder Safety Course, brought to you by OSHA Outreach Courses. It's a fast, focused, and effective 17-minute online training built to protect you, your team, and your shop. In just 17 minutes, this course will show you how to recognize key safety features on a grinder like spark guards and tool rests, identify and avoid the most common causes of injury, properly inspect, adjust, and use your grinder safely, maintain and replace grinding wheels with confidence, and minimize risks from noise, dust, entanglement, and flying particles. Grinder-related injuries happen fast. Flying fragments, hand injuries, fires from sparks, and entanglement are not just one hazard. It's many, and they can happen all at once. Inside the course, you'll get practical, easy-to-follow steps like how to adjust guards correctly, maintain proper tool rest clearance, store and inspect grinding wheels, and conduct a ring test before installing a new one. You'll also learn what to wear and what not to. Loose clothing, gloves, even long sleeves can be pulled in by the spinning wheel. This course will show you how to protect yourself with the right gear and habits. And it's not just about operating the grinder. A safe work area matters too. You'll learn how to reduce slipping hazards, improve ventilation, and keep your station clean and hazard-free. Take the course anytime, anywhere. It's mobile-friendly and designed for busy teams. Once completed, you'll earn your OSHA Outreach Certificate, a trusted credential proving your commitment to safety and skill. Click the link in the description to enroll in the Bench Grinder Safety Course today. Don't wait for a near miss or an injury. Protect your team and your future.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.